Once upon a time, there was a beautiful planet, Earth, full of life and beauty. But people began to forget about it. They cut down trees, polluted rivers, and filled the air with smoke. Slowly, Earth began to suffer, and one day, she warned them in the only way she could, a natural disaster. A huge storm raged across the land, flooding rivers and submerging entire villages. People woke up. They saw the consequences of their actions and asked themselves, is it too late to save Earth? Then a girl, Nardek, stood up. She lost her home in the storm, but not her hope. She started small. She planted a tree, picked up trash, and encouraged others to do the same. Her courage spread like wildfire. People all over the world took action. They found ways to create less waste, use cleaner energy, and plant trees where forests had disappeared. Slowly, Earth began to recover. The rivers flowed clear again. The air became cleaner, and nature flourished. The storm had woken them up, but it was their cooperation that saved the planet. People learned, disaster can wake us up, but hope and action bring change.